logged on to mktv.co.za. Well done. Congratulations. You're at the right place at the right time. We've got some fantastic people on my show today. If I look around, you got a couple of people there. Hello. Say hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
There's one in every crowd. Well, we've come into the end of the season, and I thought, why not do something a little bit more special than just me and my hair? Now, normally that's enough, but tonight I've decided to go one better. Ladies and gentlemen, my co-host, the very, very, very pretty, he has hair like candy floss, even in the rain. Ladies and gentlemen, the fantastic Jean Jordan.
Oh, that's me. It's cool that you don't have a bullshit applause, though. It's actually real people.
It's real people.
They're actually clapping. Huh?
Yes. Well done.
That's right.
Give yourselves a round of applause.
Thank
One
you.
more time. Yes, you see, they're real.
It's really cool.
It's not me pushing a button, although I wish it was. I would just push it all the time. Jean, what's happening, man? Good to have you here, buddy.
Yeah, thank you very much for the invite. It's cool to be here.
Well, it wasn't so much an invite as you insisting on being here. I know your career's on the wane, but way to get on the Grady train.
Well played, Kay. I thought it was for your ratings, but it's chilled. It's super chilled.
Well,
I won't take this any further then.
no, you shouldn't.
No,
You shouldn't.
I won't.
Just
Because I know
how this ends.
Yeah.
It's my show.
Yeah.
As everybody knows, it's not the MK coaching sessions. It's K.
Are you going to pull that one every week?
Every week.
month?
That's gonna be my new hashtag.
Oh, okay.
Have you seen my new hashtag? Hashtags. You better swim, bud.
Yes, I've heard of it.
Because the problem, you see, the problem is that I steal a lot of my material from Jean. So I just translate into English, and it's brand new. So he caught me one day saying, "See you at the bar," and he's none too impressed. I'm sorry.
It's cool. It's cool because it's catching on. So it means like something's right.
Well,
with
that's
what I'm doing.
because if I say something, there's like at least 73 people out there who hear it. Because I get a huge Twitter following like that.
You keep telling yourself that.
I have to. I have to tell myself. Did I tell you this morning?
No.
I went and saw my therapist. And can you believe it? She says I'm arrogant. Can you believe it?
Why are you seeing a therapist?
Well, you see,
Because of that. Arrogance.
they seem to think so. My boss, who's in my ear at the moment,
Uh-huh.
he seems to think I'm a bit arrogant.
Oh, okay.
But that was my morning, the cuckest morning ever.
Shame, man.
And yours?
I'm sorry. Super chill, super normal, you know? Brushed my teeth, checked emails, drank coffee, chilled at home.
So nothing
The normal
special.
thing. No.
You've got the cuckest life in the world.
I know. People
Okay.
tell me that.
Well, you've taken up way too much. Let's get to the real deal while we're here. All right, you guys know him from a multitude of bands: Straatdans Lisa, Dans Kinders, Boa Brug, all these fantastic. Is that?
Can I say something?
Ladies and gentlemen, give it a round of applause, Boa Bosch.
Yes. Thank you, guys. I like your Blue Bulls jersey you're wearing tonight. Looking fresh. Said no one ever.
So, introduce your
Hey,
partner.
this is my friend, Almarie de Priya.
Hello, everybody.
Round of applause, please.
She's amazing. Thanks for having us.
Yeah, it's cool to have you. You know,
Appreciate it.
you guys are the pinnacle of the season. You know, you guys are it.
We know. No, I'm kidding. No, it's awesome to be here. Thanks a lot.
You should come with next Thursday to my therapist. You've got
I
some
will.
issues
I will.
too.
Humble sessions, humility sessions.
So you got some tunes for us? You guys ready?
Yeah.
I know you guys
so.
met each other about an hour ago. Wrote some songs.
Yeah. She was
This is
busking.
rehearsal time for us, so
Yeah.
we're good.
Welcome
we're
to band
good
practice,
to go.
guys. I made
Ladies and
her
gentlemen, are you ready for the fantastic Boa Bosch?
Jou hart klop vinniger. Puls is sweet. My pulse is sweet. asemhaling raak stadiger. My hande bewe, jou hande bewe. Word stil met my gedagtes. Die glimlach breed, 'n glimlach breed. Wees braaf en wees jouself. Ek het jou naam, jy het my naam. Kom nou saam, ons dans oor die sterre en die maan. Moet net nie so bang wees nie, net nie so skaam wees nie. Sien jy my? Ek's besig om oor planete te gly. Moet net nie so bang wees nie, net nie so skaam wees nie.
Tragedie tref ons harte.
Jy soek meer en ek soek minder.
Niks is meer dieselfde nie.
Jou polse sweet nie, my polse sweet nie.
Dis nou dit gaan eindig.
Ek's onseker en jy's onseker. Dis nie nodig om spyt te wees nie, want spyt steel tyd van die avontuur. Kom nou saam, ons dans oor die sterre en die maan. Moet net nie so bang wees nie, net nie so skaam wees nie. Sien jy my? Ek's besig om oor planete te gly. Moet net nie so bang wees nie, net nie so skaam wees nie. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Kom nou saam, ons dans oor die sterre en die maan. Moet net nie so bang wees nie, net nie so skaam wees nie. Dankie. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Any questions? No questions. Cool. The next song is called Beskermer. It's the first Raders kindersong we wrote in the Potchefstroom 7 years ago. Ek voel gevoel, ek voel verstaan. Ek voel verslaan, ek voel geen belang. Help my nou dat ek kan stewig staan. Ek voel gevoel. So the next song is a really cheesy love song. Dit gaan oor niks of niemand nie. Maar dit is die song waar ek die meeste hate mail in my lewe al oor gekry het. Mense love it mos om tyd te vat uit hulle dag uit en om in te log in YouTube en hulle paswoord te vergeet en dan laat YouTube hulle paswoord resend na die e-mail toe net sodat hulle kan iemand hate mail stuur.
En een van die mails was van my af, so
Dit was,
ek ken
yes.
nie die song baie goed.
Jy moet dit nog delete na die show. Thanks. Maar die song gaan oor niks en niemand. Dit is 'n random fictional love song. En ja, dit is net so funny. Mens gaan ons op YouTube eintlik net om die hate mail te lees, om die comments te lees. Niemand kyk my video's nie. Ek is net so check net die comments. So hierdie song is ja, sy naam is Vertel My en hy gaan so. Maybe na dit kan jy gaan, okay cool. Ek verstaan. En dan kan jy my hate mail stuur. Fair enough. Maar laat ek eers probeer sing. Vertel my die einde eerste. Ek is moe vir die middelste deel waar ek nie myself is nie. Fluister, ek wens jy wil net vir my luister. Vertel my die einde eerste. Ek is moe vir die middelste deel waar ek nie myself is nie. Vertel my die einde eerste. Ek is moe vir die middelste deel waar ek niks reg doen nie. Die man staan stil en knip oog die aand verby. Ek en jy gaan mekaar nooit erns kry nie. Mekaar nooit ergens kry nie. Ek wens ek kan dit anders doen. Ek wens ek hoef nie my eie hart te verlei nie. My eie hart te vermy nie. Ek skree waar ek graag wil fluister. Ek wens jy wil net vir my luister. Vertel my die einde eerste. Ek is moe vir die middelste deel waar ek nie myself is nie. Vertel my die einde eerste. Ek is moe vir die middelste deel waar ek niks reg doen nie. Jy is die een wat ek gedink het nooit bestaan nie. Jy is die een met wie ek nooit 'n kans sal staan nie. Jy is die een wat ek gedink het nooit bestaan nie. Jy is die een met wie ek nooit 'n kans sal staan nie. Vertel my die einde eerste. Ek is moe vir die middelste deel waar ek nie myself is nie. Vertel my die einde eerste. Ek is moe vir die middelste deel waar ek niks reg doen nie. Die middelste deel waar ek nie myself is nie. Die middelste deel waar ek nie myself is nie. Die middelste deel waar ek nie myself is nie.
Hi, I'm Kay Oliver and you're watching MKTV. You've obviously made some pretty decent decisions so far in your life, like clicking on these videos in the first place. And remember to follow us on Facebook, Twitter at MKTV_, and like the video. You do already, you kind of love it. If there was a button for love, you'd be pushing it multiple times. So all of these links along the side here, they're all interactive. And if you didn't know that yet, you probably don't spend enough time on the internet. Too much time working. Subscribe to our channel, check out our websites, and click here, roughly here, for more. We'll see you at the bar.